Thank you for your purchase. When you receive this PDF, you can see right here all the product links are placed in this PDF. You just need to ensure that you don't need to click anywhere in this description, otherwise you will be land in our website. You need to click here on this Canva image to get your main product, your templates. But before this, here are some instructions for you which you can easily follow. But if you are stuck, you can contact us to be assisted. Here are two-step instructions. Step number 1, use template. When you open template via this PDF, you will be asked to log in into your Canva account, or you have to create a new one for free, which is super easy. You can easily create it by using your Google account. Step number 2 is find your template from all your designs folder. After clicking use template and logging in, a copy is automatically created to all your designs folder in Canva. For mobile users, please attention, if you are having a problem with opening your templates, access your template first with a desktop, then you will find your template from your Canva app too. Click the button below to see the full tutorial here. Now when you click on the Canva image, you will be land to this right here. Now you just need to click on use template simply, and here you can see here are all the pages. You can see like you can easily customize it according to your need. Click on this 20, you can easily organize this, you can easily manage this. If you want to place page 1 into here on page number 4 sections, you can easily do this by drag and drop. If you want to place right here, you can easily do this. If you want to redo this, you can easily click on this or on this. Okay, if you want to change this text, you can click right here and you can easily change this into something else. Okay, if you want to change the color of this text, you can easily select right here and you can change it to any color. Okay, if you want to add some images, you can select here, you can come to this section. If you want to upload from gallery, you can click here, you can upload from your gallery any image. If you want to place any image from the Google, you can come right to the element section and you can search like anything. I am searching like books, you can search it and come right to the photos. You can select any photo from this and you can easily add into this frame. If you don't like this, you want to undo this, you can easily click right here and delete this. Okay, if you want anything else, like if you want to be low the transparency of this text, you can come here to the transparency, you can adjust it from this section. Okay, if you want to change the effect of your text, you can come to here, you can make it hollow, you can give it shadow, you can make it simple which looks like better. You can also change the alignment of your text, like come to this position, you can select center, you can choose it middle. If you want to set is at your backward, you can choose it backward, but we need to place our text into the front, so we can do it right here on the same. Okay, if you want to adjust the size, you can easily adjust it from this. If you want to bold our text, you can click right here. If you want to small, you can do this. You can also customize it like this. Okay, okay, let's jump into the next page right here. If you want to change the color, so color of your background, you just click here and go to the color section. You can easily change your color like this, and if you want undo this, you can do right here, which is super easy. Okay, but if you want to place a photo or image in your background, so you can also do this. You can just easily replace your color with your photo from, if you want to search in Google, like I am searching books and I want to place some books images in my background, so I can select this. You can check it like this one, it is changed. But if you don't like, you can also undo this. Okay, anything, if you want to place some elements, you can select here. You can do this, and I am searching like stationery. I want to place some stationeries, like I need this. Just easily adjust here it. Okay, here is a frame. You can do this, like you can do this. Now when you customize it according to your need, according to your brand, so you can easily download it by clicking right here, and you can download it in many versions, like many formats, like clicking on download. You can choose here PNG and JPG. Okay, here are, these are the best formats for social media use.